Maulana to give me opportunity of presenting speech here. Today at this great occasion, I would like to speak on the status of women in Islam. The status of women in Islam is an issue that is pertinent in the present time, both due to the divergence of cultural practices in the Muslim world, from the Islamic perspective and the erroneous perception in the West that Islam subjugates women for. In pre-Islamic Arabia, a woman was inhumanly considered to be a part of wealth and property. She used to be sold and purchased like any property or animal. Illiterate Arab of the pre-Islamic era considered women to be a cause of bad luck and misfortune, and buried and was singles as sufferers. Such was the condition of the women in the world when the Holy Prophet ﷺ was born in Arabia, and through the divine revelation and his practical example preached to the world that women have equal rights, honor, and status in the life. Women also have the right of ownership of property like males have. No doubt, women have some specialized duties to perform in life just as males have their own duties. Dear listeners, Islam denounces the pre-Islamic inhumane custom of female infanticide and commands people to love and cherish their daughter even more than their sons. The Holy Quran says that on the day of judgment, the female infant who was buried alive will be questioned, for what crime was she killed? The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that the most perfect of believers in faith is best of them in morals, and best of you are those who are kindness to your wife. The Holy Quran describes the position of the wife in a beautiful verse. He created for you mates from among yourselves, that you might find solace in them, and He ordained between you love and mercy. In his famous address at the farewell pilgrimage, the Holy Prophet ﷺ again laid stress on the kind and gentle treatment with wives. He said that, "O my people, you have certain rights over your wives, so have your wives over you. They are Allah's trust in your hand. See that you treat them with all kindness." It is reported that the Holy Prophet ﷺ was questioned by a companion as to who after Allah and His beloved Prophet ﷺ should be revered most. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Your mother." When questioned, who after the mother? The Prophet ﷺ said, "Your mother." He was again asked, "And then who after the mother?" He again replied, "Your mother." The man put the same question for the fourth time. The Prophet ﷺ then answered, "Your father." This tradition shows that the position of the mother in the eyes of her sons and daughter should be 3 times higher than that of the father. So dear listener, Islam has given women a share of inheritance. Before Islam, women were not only deprived of that share, but were themselves considered as property to be inherited by men. Whether woman is a wife or mother, a sister or daughter, she receives a certain share of the deceased kind property. A share that depends on her degree of relationship to the deceased and number of years. This share is hers, no one take it away or disinherit her, even if the deceased wishes to deprive her by making a will to the other relation or in favor of any other cause. The law will not allow him to do so. So it is thus clear that the status of women in Islam is very high. What Islam has established for women is that which suits their nature, gives them full security, and protects them against disgraceful circumstances and uncertain channel of the life. Thank you everyone for listening.